guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Many of you have been asking me to create an updated Volleyball Legends codes video, so here it is. I'm going to be showing you the best Volleyball Legends codes in 2025. You're going to be able to get tons of free lucky spins in Volleyball Legends. And trust me guys, I spent a long time searching for a method on how to get lucky spins, and this is the best method for Volleyball Legends because it is just a working code, and I'm going to be running through these steps in this video showing you how to get your lucky spins for free. And yeah, so just make sure you follow the instructions and use your mobile phone. It makes it so much easier if you do this on your mobile, because you need to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this into your mobile phone internet browser. You can see I'm using an iPhone. I've opened up Safari, but you can do this on Android as well. And you've got to go to this website, Cold Coupons. And when you reach this website, you need to use the search bar and just type in Volleyball Legends. And this is the page, guys. They only have 2 verified codes, but they are really popular and highly rated. So if you're looking for lucky spins, this is the one. This is a Volleyball Legends code. Get 1,000 free lucky spins. You can also get 1 million free money, but this one takes the cake. 1,000 free lucky spins. And yeah, you can see, guys, you need to click on show full code down there. And this is going to allocate one of the limited codes to you. And you can literally use it in game and get your lucky spins. So this is going to pop up here where it says your code is ready. And basically, guys, long story short, I don't want this video to be too long, but you need to unlock your personal and exclusive Volleyball Legends code. Obviously, 1,000 lucky spins is super desirable, and these are limited codes, so this prevents people from stealing the codes. People actually create robots to take these codes, so this prevents that. So all you got to do is click on this button and follow the instructions on this page. This is the code unlocker, and it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. So these tasks are really easy, and of course they're completely free. You can see it says free. And basically, guys, these are things like mobile applications like TikTok. It says install TikTok, open it and run it for 30 seconds. So if you don't have TikTok, this is a really easy one to complete. You simply download TikTok, and you would have to open it up for 30 seconds. If you already have TikTok, you can choose another one, but they're all completely free and they're really easy. They can be things like surveys as well, which is a super easy one. You just answer the questions and fill in some valid details to confirm you're not a robot. So complete 2 of these, and if you do everything, obviously I'm skipping forward, your code will then be fully unlocked and revealed, and you can redeem it in Volleyball Legends. And that is how to get lucky spins in Volleyball Legends for completely free. So really easy. Go to Cold Coupons, and these are the best Volleyball Legends codes in 2025. So if you found this video useful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.